I'm back. So guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a simple beginner friendly makeup look for Eid because it's Eid. Actually मेरे को ये कल कर देना चाहिए था, like smart influencer बनना चाहिए, ऐसे beautiful Eid makeup look ऐसे सब you post one day before. ये क्यों पहना है? बाल तो आ ही रहे हैं आगे, it just looks cuter. But anyways, you should prime your face, moisturize, wear some sunscreen if you're going to go out. I'm skipping all that because I'm staying indoors. 5 minutes ke baad I'm going to wipe this shit off. Pictures leke bye bye tata. Anyways, so I have the Mars Cover Rangers palette here. It is literally the best thing. Like, invest in it right now. It has color correctors, it has your concealer shades, it has your contour shades. Like, do you need anything else? So I'm going to go and take this peach shade over here to the mix, and I hope that you guys can see it. Like, you can see I have a little bit of pigmentation around my eyes. Hopefully cancel it out. See, it works like magic. Please, dark circles. Who? Gucci Chanel? No. Gone. Depleted. Do you see the difference? Like, I haven't even put on concealer yet. I should look in this mirror, but I don't know why I keep looking at the screen instead of the camera. But yeah, they smell kind of waxy. But do you see that? If you want, you can color correct around your mouth and stuff. I don't want to go for a heavy look, and a lot of times it's really, like, I don't want to make it that heavy, so I'm not going to do that. Instead, I'm just going to take a concealer shade and put it down over here and color a little bit of that up. I'm not going to be using foundation because I think foundation is very unnecessary, especially for beginners. Unka makeup utna patchy ho jata hai. People keep on asking, why doesn't my base look flawless? Influencers are using ring lights, okay? They are using studio lighting. They have beautiful lighting. They'll make their skin look flawless. You do not have beautiful lighting. You do not run a business. You won't have flawless makeup. Makeup looks like makeup, no matter what you do. Whoa. Damn. Ooh. I was not prepared for that. These nasty pimples that haven't been going away. Boop. Gone. A wizard. Okay. In case anyone has like a brown eyeshadow, I'm just going to use one eyeshadow today, and that should make it pretty, you know, beginner friendly. It's just like one brown shade. It looks red on camera, like, why? Okay. So I'm going to go for a little bit of a darker kind of brown over the lid. I wish I had better quality, like camera quality, better editing, better this and that, but it's what we have to deal with right now. Okay, let's really blend it out. Now what I can go and do, you know, cut creases, no cut creases. I'm just going to do something simple. Take a light colored eyeshadow. I think this is pretty light, so I'm going, not an eyeshadow, I mean a base product, okay, and just put it on your lid a little bit. You don't have to be an expert to give, you can give a false cut crease like effect, okay, with any like base product. Like, you see how that, like, it will get better. Trust the process. Okay, if you want, you can go with a brush, finish it, give it a little finishing. I'm only going to be using one brush and I'm only using one eyeshadow, so it's pretty beginner friendly, I think. My god, my accent sounds so horrible. But yeah, this is blended in. I have the Mars Velour one. Mine's is broken, as you can see. So I'm gonna be using it up. Poor baby, all broken. You know, it has literally the same texture, I mean consistency as the like ColourPop Super Shock ones. Like, look, do you see this? Like, it's squishing, like the way it squishes in. It's like putty. Yeah, so that's that. I'm gonna take some of that and I'm gonna put it in my inner corner where I put all of that concealer. If you have an extra brush, if you have another brush, you can go ahead and the smaller the better. Dip it into your highlighter and like you see this whole edge like right here, just put it along that. It'll look so nice and crispy, like a fake cut crease. I look ridiculously fat for some reason in like this frame. I don't know why, but yeah, go ahead and blend it back in. Captured on camera. Like, look at it, it's not that bad. You can go for a gold as your, you know, liner or whatever, but I think I'm going to stick with the dark brown, and I'm going to use it in my waterline so it matches a little bit, because right now there's like so much going on here and nothing going on over here. So I'm going to grab like a black brown shade. I don't know if you can see. Going to line. It's okay, we'll buff it out. You know, if you put like dark eyeshadow over here, it makes your lashes look bigger. Like, look at it. Like, it makes your lashes look like they have like more of a shadow. I do. Oh my god, I don't know why I keep on doing this voice. It's annoying me too. Please don't hate me. Please don't unsubscribe, please. Powder. The powder is pretty nice. It's just that the shade range is embarrassing. I think I'll contour now. I have good contour products, but I'm just gonna be using this because this is easily available and it is pretty good. You can use your fingers too. This is faster right now. Make sure you start from here and then take it down here. Don't just put it like on here. It'll be obvious you contoured. Like, start it from this little bridge. Like, I like to start it all the way from up here. And then bring it down. See how it like slimmed down this part of the nose? Yeah, snatched nose. It's not that snatched because I can't really see properly what I'm doing. I'm like doing it for the camera right now. But pretty snatched, I'd say. I need to stop doing this accent. I don't know why I'm doing it. Just annoying at this point. For larger parts, I'll use a bigger brush. Dip it in. You saw that, right? There's some product. You can see that, right? See? You can see that. Thank God. This probably looks horrendous in real life because I swear to God, the camera takes off half of your makeup. I'm not even kidding. Maybe that's why I look horrible in pictures when I look good in real life. Like, contour a little bit more. Make sure you bring it up over here as well. Oh no, my little... It's okay if it goes into your hairline. And then like on my temples a little bit. For my blush, I will usually use a cream blush below, but I don't think everyone has like a cream blush and a powder brush. Mostly people have powder blush. blush. This is the one by K Beauty. This one is not affordable, but you can see, I'll put some links for some good affordable dupes, or you could check my shorts. I uploaded some nice blushes for oily skin people. This is soft and nude, but I don't know. I know I'm looking like a clown. Give it a moment. This is super pigmented. I keep doing that accent. For some reason, I feel like the blush isn't matching today. Let me see if I have like an orangish blush that will kind of match more with this whole brown neutral moment. I always like to do this. I always blend my like blush into my eyeshadow. Like, it makes the whole look so much more cohesive. I'm telling you, you need to try this, like, if you haven't. It's one of the nicest tricks I've learned. Trust the process, please. I'm literally too lazy to do my eyebrows, and not everyone has eyebrow products. I think Indian eyebrows jaise hai वैसे ठीक ही है, and a lot of people who are Muslim don't do their eyebrows. Like, I mean, they don't get like their hair removed, so I'm not gonna do that. I'll use the same dark brown eyeshadow, because I'm trying to use as less products as I can, trying to make this extremely beginner friendly. Okay, it's trust me, never buy a liquid liner if you're beginning. It is always easier to get a brush, get a brown or black eyeshadow or a palette, and just like, let me just put this right here so I can like see, like, I'm so sorry that my face is so close to you guys right now. Must be so disturbing. I'm just gonna flick it outwards so it gets like a wing-like effect. It's really difficult for me to do makeup like this. Like, I always do it in front of a huge mirror, you know? And I don't have like a perfect YouTube setup or something that like I can do my makeup and like see it in the viewfinder, whatever. I don't know. Guess it's that episode there, but this is the eyeliner sort of smudged out look that we're going to be satisfied with. I'm adding just the tiniest amount of black. That did not look like a tiny amount of black. Oh my god, diffuse. Oh my god, I was not meaning to do that, but we'll make it work. Yeah, swing it out. Smoky. Why did I use black? I'm sorry, this isn't becoming 2 eyeshadows now. I wasn't supposed to use black. This is my motto. This is proving to be a challenge for me actually, because I usually have a lot of colors to use and I don't have to like go ahead and utilize minimal products like this, so. But I think it looks nice enough, right? I think you have a tiny bit more on this one. I'll use this flat brush. It's like dorsi-ventrically flattened. And I'll use it on my cheeks. I hope the light catches it. It's not catching it. Like, girl, look at it. You can see subtly, right? Like, I'm going to line my lips. I feel like Even if you're a beginner, lip liner is something you should invest in because it will make your lips look better 100%. If you're a beginner, if you're not a beginner, it will make your look. Okay? It just will. You can't see what I'm doing. I like connecting my cupid's bow like here and here. I just like to round it up a bit. How do I talk and do my lip liner at the same time? So it's like a tiny overlining over here. You can do much more if you want. This one is by Zudio. It was literally for like 99 rupees, I think. Such a good lipstick, but it tastes bitter. I like their bullet lipsticks much more, but they didn't have a dark enough shade. Okay, let me just, now that you can see my mustache. I know it looks red, but it's more brown in real life. This always happens to me. It matches. Let me get dressed. And I'll be back in a second. Hi guys. I'm sorry, I put on lashes. I couldn't resist. Like, itni cheating chalti hai, guys. I didn't even find a really good outfit or any accessories that I feel like I'm really missing out on the vibe. But I had to put on some lashes. It completes the look, and you can find lashes for like 99 rupees nowadays. So yeah, this is the finished look. I don't love it. Like that highlight though, I don't really love it. Don't really hate it. I hope you guys liked it, and I hope you guys found it helpful in any way, shape, or form today. But yeah, that was the video. Bye guys. I hope to see you next time.